Scenic route pa uwi. Usually don't. Wow! Go Ukay shopping here in Wagga. So this is like, we're walking here. This is like their Ukay thrift store. Pero tawag dito, Opportunity Shop. This is called Vinnie's. Yeah. So maganda naman mag-shopping dito sa mga opportunity shops dito sa Australia kasi yung mga presyo nila is malayo sa mga presyo sa mall. Since sa mall, kapag in trend or nauuso yung style ng damit, ay nasa $20 to $30 yung mga presyo nila. Habang dito sa mga opportunity shops is nasa 7 or like minsan may mahanap kang $2 to $5 lang. Nasa swertihan nga lang yung paghahanap ng mga quality and branded items sa mga ganitong So, other than clothes, meron din silang sapatos, tsaka mga furniture and books, CDs. Actually, marami silang gamit, pero ito yung mga gusto kong tignan. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look at that. I took the scenic route pa uwi. Usually don't. This is the road to be nadaan rin naman sa bahay, so no, it's actually longer. It's a longer road, but still. Good morning. So I'm gonna run some errands today. So I need some coffee. Like a coffee shop. It's the marketplace, the shops. I got my blonde dream, guys. My blonde dreams are on sale. If I ever want to become blonde, it's right there. Happy Sunday. Good morning. Me. Wala akong work today. I worked yesterday ng 4 hours. So, guys, alam ko anong ginagawa namin on a Sunday. Wala akong bedsheets kasi magpapalaba o lalabhan. Tapos papatuyo sa laundry place. Laundromat. It's gonna be dryer. So yeah, that's that. And then I'm gonna vacuum. My brother is watching. Baby Shark. Cable kasi yung house, so we have a Christmas tree. Hello, look at that. My dad is planting. My mom is cooking lunch. 20. So, dahil minsan lang tayo sipagin, once a week ko lang ito ginagawa. So, ini-sweep ko lang yung mga floors, tas yung mga carpet or rugs, tas bina-vacuum. And dinadalaw ko lahat ng rooms. Etong si Disney Princess ay natuto na maglinis ng toilet. So, okay, so aside from the toilet, syempre, nililinis ko rin yung sink and pinupunasan yung mga mirrors and yeah. So, ito yung sala namin. Nililinis ko lang yung table and nag-vacuum ako dyan. Kaya hindi ko na finlog. Ito naman yung room ko. Huy, yabang. May room na daw siya. Yan sa kasayin.
Cardamom.
I knew it, you were not going. Hindi ko ano ito lang. Siyempre, pagkatapos kumain ay maghuhugas naman tayo ng pinggan kasi ako anong ka-assign dito. Usually, alternate kami ng kapatid ko. Siya sa panggabi at ako naman ang pang-lunch. Siyempre, praktisado na ako kasi nung nagsisimula ako magtrabaho, dito talaga ako nag-focus kasi ayokong like mag-interact sa customer, so dito talaga ako napupunta.
Okay, everyone, feast your eyes on the newest star of the 118.
Happy weekend. We're in Bunnies. Bunnies. So it's like kaka-8 hardware.
So, aside from mga pangbahay and stuff, meron din silang gardening, and dito bumili yung mom ko ng mga pang tita plantings niya.
Oh, it's not pink, thank goodness. The box will not go. Whoa!
Wow, it's so big.
It's gray.
It's
Oh,
gray?
it's-
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's metallic gray. It's gray.
It's not it.
Whoa. It's big and heavy.
You should have done the stand first.
Oh, Pat, look at this.
Wow. Ada, rotate to me.
Take
Wow. Looks nice.
So, si ate girl ay adulting at nakabili ng table. At gusto niya sirain hair niya, kaya nagpakulay na naman po siya.
Spotlight.
So, naglibot lang kami, and ayun na yung nangyari ng araw na to. So, ito yung mga compilation ng mga nangyari sa month ng November. And yung Black Friday and shopping trip is next vlog na.